60 kilowatt peak on-grid solar system proposal for Interstoff factory located at Board Bazaar, Gazipur. We conducted our survey at your factory on the 19th of February 2021. Through our simulation software, we have developed the design to generate the maximum possible solar power output utilizing the less space of your factory rooftop. Here we have used the world's most reliable solar power design and analysis simulation software PV-Syst. After using our proposed REC solar module of Norway, which is the largest solar PV brand of Europe, and also using the famous inverter brand Solis. Here we have achieved the following simulation result. After considering all the losses, the total solar system production throughout the year is 95.3 megawatt-hour. Initial power generation was 114 megawatt-hour, but after considering all the losses like inverter conversion loss, PV loss due to irradiance and temperature, other types of DC and AC cable losses, the final yearly output stands around 95 megawatt-hour. The average monthly power generation would be 7,940 kilowatt-hour. And per day production would be around 261 kilowatt-hour in average. In green is the official partner of REC.
REC Twin Peak Series possible. Dividing the module into two twin sections gives an increase in overall power output, as well as improving performance in shaded conditions. In a standard 60-cell solar panel, the flow of current passes through 3 strings of 20 cells. The REC Twin Peak Series, however, has cells connected in 6 smaller strings in its 2 independent sections. If shade falls on any part of a standard panel, this causes at least one string, that means 1/3, to stop producing electricity. And shade across the bottom row of cells is enough to stop generation in a standard panel completely. Meanwhile, the REC Twin Peak Series, with its twin sections, continues to produce electricity in 1/2, giving an increase in overall yield. Packing in all these advantages means the REC Twin Peak is available in higher watt classes, giving more power output per square meter of solar panels installed compared to standard solar panels. So, in areas with limited space, such as rooftops, you can fit in more power generation capacity, making maximum use of available space and getting the most out of every installation. By delivering more power output per square meter, fewer REC Twin Peak panels are required to achieve the same power generation capacity. This also means fewer components, such as clamps and racks, and quicker installation times, all reducing overall costs. REC Group is empowering people all over the world and in all areas of our daily lives. For example, REC's high-quality solar panels are powering the Audi production plant in Belgium, Aldi Süd supermarkets in Germany, Tiger Beer Brewery in Singapore, Detroit homeowners in the USA, as well as Arizona Veterans Hospital and Pukenui School in New Zealand. REC Group helps to mitigate millions of tons of CO2 emissions every year.
Are you thinking to power your industry with solar power? In Green Engineering brings you the best possible solution. We are offering world-famous European solar panel REC of Norway. With a special product warranty of 25 years and linear power output warranty of 25 years. And we are offering world's famous inverter brand Solis 5G. Our offered DC cable is from Germany. And the AC cable will be original BRB of Bangladesh. A 60 kilowatt peak solar system at Interstoff factory Board Bazaar Gazipur can generate 261 kilowatt-hour energy per day and 95.3 megawatt-hour per year, and it can save 8,57,700 taka per year. And save 10,620 kilogram carbon dioxide emission per year. In Green Engineering Limited. So far in Green Engineering have done so many noteworthy solar power projects throughout the country. The biggest one is 3.3 megawatt peak solar power plant at Sorashabari Zamalpur, which is the first of its kind solar power plant in Bangladesh. In green engineering done the first ever solar power plant that connects to national grid, which was covered by all the newspaper and media of the country. In green engineering have done many state-of-the-art solar rooftop projects including Bangladesh Jute Research Institute, Bangladesh Water Development Board, and many mobile operators. We have participated in many talk shows and international conferences. In green engineering got many prestigious award for the renewable energy and solar power. Currently our Managing Director Mr. Zahidul Alam is the Vice President of Bangladesh Solar and Renewable Energy Association. He is one of the leader on creating awareness to implement quality solar panel installation across the country. He also writes articles and publications in famous newspapers and magazines, like Energy and Power, Institute of Energy of Dhaka University. So on so forth. Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, visited the In Green stall many times at National Environment Fair. In Green Engineering Limited, our mission is to energize green.